Welcome back to our motivational series. Every day, we dive into topics designed to elevate your life. Today, we're uncovering the 15 essential tools that the financially savvy swear by. Whether you're dreaming of millions or aiming to solidify your financial stronghold, these tools are the keystones in the architecture of wealth. Before we do, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on life-changing information. All right, let's not wait any longer and delve into the tools that could transform your financial landscape. Number 1. The power of a well-organized calendar. Forget about to-do lists. The truly wealthy know the value lies in meticulous scheduling. They dissect their days, ensuring that each hour contributes to their overarching goals. A well-curated calendar is more than a planning tool. It's a roadmap to efficiency and impact. Start with simple lists and gradually evolve to a calendar-centric approach to harness the full potential of your days. Number 2. Banking apps at your fingertips. In the digital age, managing your finances through a banking app is not just convenient, it's essential. These platforms offer a crystal-clear overview of your financial health, allowing for swift adjustments and informed decision-making. Embrace technology to streamline your financial management, making every penny count towards your goals. Number 3. Investing in premium technology. A top-tier smartphone and laptop are not mere gadgets. They're the gateways to global connectivity and productivity. For the affluent, these devices are the hubs through which they orchestrate their empire. Quality and ease of use trump all, transforming these tools into invaluable assets that fuel growth and innovation. Number 4. Fitness equipment for a healthy mind and body. Successful individuals start their day with exercise, using equipment like treadmills or fitness bikes. This dedication to physical health is paralleled by a commitment to mental sharpness, often accompanied by absorbing news or learning new information. It's this blend of physical and intellectual fitness that primes them for success. Number 5. The security of a VPN. Privacy and security in the digital realm are paramount. A VPN is a shield guarding against the vulnerabilities of online exposure. It's a simple yet powerful layer of protection, essential for those who carry their offices in their pockets. In an era where privacy is a luxury, a VPN ensures your digital footprint remains your own. Number 6. The rejuvenating power of saunas and flotation tanks. Beyond luxury, saunas and flotation tanks are tools for physical and mental rejuvenation. They serve as sanctuaries for detoxification, stress relief, and deep reflection. Incorporating these into your lifestyle is not just an indulgence. It's a strategic move for long-term wellness and clarity. Number 7. Elevated travel with premium rental services. Services like Airbnb Plus and the Plum Guide redefine travel, offering exclusive properties that cater to the discerning tastes of the wealthy. These platforms are not about extravagance, but about providing unique experiences and environments that inspire and rejuvenate. Number 8. Jet sharing for the modern traveler. Private jet services democratize luxury travel, offering flexibility and efficiency. These platforms are a nod to the evolving landscape of luxury travel, where access and convenience are valued over ownership. It's a glimpse into a future where luxury is more accessible, yet still exclusive. Number 9. AngelList, democratizing investment. AngelList has revolutionized investment, opening the gates to venture capitalism for the broader public. It's a platform where ambition meets opportunity, allowing individuals to back the next big thing and diversify their investment portfolio alongside industry titans. Number 10. Guided meditations for mental mastery. The stresses of wealth demand a fortress of mental well-being. Meditation, especially guided forms, offers a sanctuary for the mind, fostering clarity, resilience, and focus. It's an investment in mental health, paying dividends in all facets of life. Embracing guided meditation is like unlocking a secret chamber within your mind where peace and productivity coexist, enhancing your ability to navigate the complexities of wealth with grace and agility. Number 11. Robinhood, the future of trading. The Robinhood app exemplifies the shift towards democratized investing. It's a testament to the power of technology in breaking down barriers, making the stock market accessible and understandable for the aspiring investor. Robinhood not only simplifies the investment process, but also empowers you to take control of your financial destiny, turning the daunting world of stocks into a playground of potential. Number 12. The Pomodoro technique for peak productivity. Time management, distilled into 25-minute bursts of focused work, can dramatically enhance productivity. It's a simple yet profound method that the wealthy employ to maximize efficiency and maintain momentum in their pursuits. By adopting the Pomodoro technique, you're not just managing time more effectively. You're reshaping your work ethic, cultivating a garden of focus in which your productivity flowers bloom unabated. Number 13. Vanguard, a pillar of personal investment. With Vanguard, the investment landscape is broadened, offering avenues for growth through mutual funds, index funds, and more. It's a platform that has empowered the wealthy for decades and now offers the same opportunities to the public. Vanguard isn't just an investment platform, it's a beacon for those navigating the often turbulent seas of personal finance, offering a steady light towards growth and stability. Number 14. Crypto security with hardware wallets. In the volatile realm of cryptocurrency, security is paramount. Hardware wallets offer a bulwark against digital threats, providing peace of mind for those navigating the crypto waters. It's a necessary guard in the unpredictable tide of digital currencies. Investing in a hardware wallet transcends basic financial prudence. It's a statement of your commitment to safeguarding your digital future, ensuring that your crypto journey is both secure and prosperous. Number 15. The wealth of knowledge in audiobooks. For the affluent, knowledge is as crucial as capital. Audiobooks offer a conduit for continuous learning, turning every moment into an opportunity for growth. It's this insatiable appetite for knowledge that fuels their journey to and beyond wealth. Delving into audiobooks is akin to having a personal mentor at your fingertips, offering insights and inspirations that bridge the gap between where you are and where you aspire to be in your wealth journey. And there you have it, the 15 tools that are the bedrock of financial success. It's not just about having access to these tools, but mastering their use to carve out a path to wealth. As we wrap up, consider how you can leverage these tools in your own pursuit of financial freedom. Remember, the journey to wealth is both a test of endurance and a testament to the power of strategic tool use. Let's embark on this journey together, leveraging every resource at our disposal to craft a future rich in possibility.